Good. Amsa. Mushu. Nima qaranglar. Okay. Amsa ma so'zlarni bir takrorlayman qollar. Qaranglar nima? Yo'ldishi marasimda kim ekan? Yo'ldishi bor ekan. Shunama yo'ldishi degani husband. Good. Marasimdagi nima? Husband. Ayolinchi. Ayolini wife. Okay. Ayolini deymiz wife. Agar qiz deganichi daughter. Okay, daughter. Daughter degani nima? Qiz. O'g'li. O'g'li bo'lsa son. Shunama? Bu yerda two daughters bor ekan. Shunama? Bu yerda nima? Butcher. Birinchi so'z nima edi? Deganimiz butcher. Good. Ana butcher deganimiz nima? Sanlar, butcher deganimiz qassob. Qassob ne? Butcher deydigan gap. Hamda go'sht deganicha meat. All right. Go'sht deganimiz meat. Good. Meat. And mesela meat'in qaysi go'shtlar bor? Masalan, chicken, lamb, steak, beef. Wow, hammasi degan kat parchalab qiyma qilib olsak bu nima bo'ladi? Sanlar mince. Okay, to tell you the truth, rost gapni desam. Good. Demak, bu so'zlar husband, wife, butcher, meat, chicken, lamb, steak, beef, mince. Good. Xo'sh, hamsa savodashlar, shu bugungi darsimizdan tekst keldik. Andaqda tekstni nihoyatda ko'ngil qo'yib bir anglasanglar, anglagandan keyin shuniki tafsiliy mazmunga kelsak. All right, listen carefully.
Do you want any meat today, Mrs. Bird?
Yes, please.
Do you want beef or lamb?
Beef, please.
This lamb's very good.
I like lamb, but my husband doesn't.
What about some steak? This is a nice piece.
Give me that piece, please. And a pound of mince, too.
Do you want a chicken, Mrs. Bird? They're very nice.
No, thank you. My husband likes steak, but he doesn't like chicken.
To tell you the truth, Mrs. Bird, I don't like chicken either.
Okay, guys, have you finished? Good. So look, look at the picture and guess. So first, where's the woman? Can you answer? Where is the woman? Can you answer? Where is the woman? So what does she want? And what does she want? There are lamb, chicken, mince, everything, right? Okay, and that one butcher. So what does she want? And what about some steak? And that yalpaqlangan shunaqa qala qo'vrug'isi lazım ekan. What about some steak? Lazım ekan, lazım emaskan? Anladingmi? Deg'ir bo'linglar. Does? Yes, he does or no? Okay. So, what about some mince? Andaqda qiyma go'shtchi. Uning zar qiyma go'sht lazım ekan yoki lazım emas? What about mince? Yes? Okay, if you yes. All right, good. So, does she want any chicken? Does she want any chicken? Look at the picture. Qaranglar. Bu rasm qarasanglar, u bir chicken ekan ekan. Does she? All right. So, according to your lesson, and you cross, tick, for true, and it's a tick for true and cross for fails. Andaqda to'g'ri bo'lsa to'g'ri belgisini qo'yinglar, xato bo'lsa xato belgisini qo'yinglar. So what she doesn't want. Endi mishariki u xohlamaydiganlardan sizib chiqinglar deydi. Masalan, does she want beef? Yes or no? If you yes. So does she want lamb? Does she want lamb? No, she doesn't want, right? So does she want steak? Does she want steak? Yeah. Alright, does she want mince? Okay, and the qiyma go'sht lazım mıken? Yes. Yes or no? Okay, yes. Does she want chicken? No. She doesn't want a chicken. So what does Mr. Bird like? Okay, what does Mr. Bird like, guys? And the Mr. Bird efendim. Bird efendim nime lazımken, and the nimege amrahken. So what doesn't he like? And o nimege öçken? And bu iki sual cevap verip bakınlar. Okay. Look, read and match. Amsa, sizlar bir tarafdan o'qig'ach, anda tuvandiki mushu narslarni tutashtirib bakınlar. Masalan, bunda do you want any meat? Deydi. Okay. Do you want any meat today, Mrs. Bird? Desa. Deydi. Yes, please. Azroq bering. Do you want beef or lamb? Do you want beef or lamb? Which one? Beef, please. Bir kala go'shti bersiniz. This lamb is very good. Okay. And bu qo'y go'shti intayin yaxshi desa nima deydi? Nima deydi vallar? Kitobini qarab javob bersanglar bo'ladi-ku. Nima deydi? This one. I like lamb, but my husband doesn't. Demek endi ayol qo'y go'shtiga amroqkan, lekin iri qanaqamaydi, yoqtirmaydi. So what about some steak? What about some steak? Amsa steak-chu. Give me that piece, please. Okay. All right. So do you want the chicken? Chicken, is it? No. Thank you. Right? Demek endi qanday desanglar, mushunda, mushu tekstga asosan bir tutashtirildi.